Hi, my name is Dr. Tracy Fanara, and I'm actually a scientist at Mote Marine Laboratory. Today we're going to do an experiment to see how scientists clean up oil spills. Let's get started. In 2010, BP oil spill known as Deepwater Horizon released 4.9 million barrels of oil into the Gulf of Mexico, disrupting ecosystems and water quality. Scientists came to the rescue to try to clean up the oil spill. Now, not all of it was cleaned up, but what was cleaned up, they used absorbents, which are materials that actually absorb the oil from the water. They used skimmers to control where that oil plume was on the surface, and then they also used dispersants, which are chemicals that break up that oil and cause it to sink to the bottom of the ocean. So today we're going to simulate an oil spill and see how well we can actually clean it up. We have cotton balls, tape, a straw, cardboard, paper towels, and our oil and some dye. The first thing you're going to do is put about a quarter of a cup of oil into another cup where you're going to mix the color. Now at home you can use red food dye. That would be a perfect way to color your oil. Here I'm using something called blue balls, which is iodine based. So I'm just putting a couple drops in. Okay, so now we need our ocean. So we're going to put water in our plastic container. Here comes the oil spill! Okay, so what we want to do is try to get all the oil into one spot so then we can come in, and maybe you want to break your straw apart to use as a skimmer. Maybe you can't because it's difficult, but there we go. Try to keep it all in one spot. It's a lot harder than you thought. Huh. Oh my gosh, it's so tough to keep it away from the edges. So this is why scientists had so much trouble removing this oil. Now let's see if we can get an absorbent to help us out. Let's try cotton balls. And this is going to be used as kind of like a boom. So what booms do is they skim the surface and they try to take up as much oil in the process as possible. See, look at all that oil that cotton ball picked up. Now let's try a different kind of boom system. Let's try some cardboard, because we're still hitting the edges. Will this cardboard help us get it into one place? And look at that, it does. So what do you think that the cardboard's acting as right now? If you said skimmer, you are right. Alright, well, I've been pretty unsuccessful, except with the cotton, and actually, you know what? The skimmers did help get it in the middle. Let's try some paper towels. Interesting. I bet you the more absorbent ones work even better. Let's try some tape. Okay, so we're gonna use the tape and see how that, look at how effective the tape is in controlling where this oil spill is. So this is a great skimmer. Wow, look at that. All right, so the last thing that we're going to try is soap. Now soap is called a surfactant. And what surfactants do is that it makes hydrophobic oil run away and disperse. So let's mix that up a little bit. And this is why we use soap to not only clean our hands, but also to clean pans. As you can see, I had a pretty tough time at removing all this oil. See if you can do this at home. Try it with your siblings, your brother or sister. See who cleans up the most oil. but now we see why it's so difficult to clean up after an oil spill. The best thing is to prevent it from happening in the first place.